Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your phone overheating while charging. And I'm speaking about the SONY Xperia 1 Mark 7. So first of all, I need to tell you that it's pretty normal to slightly heat, for the phone to slightly heat while it's charging. Especially if you're using fast charging or using the device simultaneously while charging. It is very normal for the phone to produce some heat, but if it is overheating, then maybe there are a few things that you can do to make your phone produce less heat, because heat damages especially your battery in the phone, and it may lead to lower battery health and some battery damage, right? So first of all, it is very important to check if you are using a charger and a cable from a reputable brand. What I mean by that, it doesn't have to be a charger from Sony, but a charger from a brand that you know, a brand that is trusted, that other people know about, and maybe someone has recommended it to you or just has good reviews on it. Because some non-reputable, some generic chargers from a no-name brand tend to charge your phone at an unstable rate, and your phone, when charged on an unstable rate, has to deal with that itself, and it may cause some overheating. Another thing about that is that these chargers also can break pretty quickly, and they may explode or just go on fire. So I wouldn't recommend generic chargers. It's better to have a reputable brand one. And let's continue with the cable. Of course, cable also has to be good enough from a reputable brand, and not damaged, not visibly damaged, because it may also cause that. Another thing is that if you're gaming while charging the phone, then for sure it'll overheat. There's no way to stop that. Your phone will overheat if you're using it for games while charging, but also if it's overheating while using, try using it as little as you can while it's being charged. Now let's move on to removing the phone case, because case may somehow decrease the heat dissipation, and that may cause your phone to overheat. So if you have any problems, try getting either a different case or removing your current one while charging at least, and I hope it'll help. Also, charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area, and what I mean by that is especially don't charge it in direct sun, and never put it under a pillow once you go to sleep and charge your phone. Never put it under your pillow, because then your phone has no place to dissipate that heat, and it may actually cause your phone to burn, and it may actually harm not only your phone but also you, because it's so close to you and so hot, and it may actually start burning. And also it is worth checking for background apps causing heat and high power consumption in settings. So let's go to the settings as the last step and go to the battery. Now if you go to the battery, you'll find battery usage, and now you can find different apps here. And if there's an app that you didn't expect to use so much battery, and it's not a very important app, like you can see Google Play Store or Google Play services are pretty important, but you can see I also have internet speed meter light. I know it doesn't use too much power, but if it used more, I'd probably disable it. You can see the screen time is less than a minute, but background is 17 hours. So if I wanted to limit the background activity, I could click on it and disable the background usage, and then it would stop background usage. So it would use more power, because the more power you use, the more heat the phone produces. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.